Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here. This week we want to shed a little bit of a spotlight onto our customer support department. As more and more companies are shunning away from live customer support, here at SoundTraxx we continue to offer live customer support. So we want to share with you a little bit about what our support department entails. So what would you like to see in a customer support department? Well, let's dive into SoundTraxx customer support.
Runkenheimer Flat Top 3 chime. Oh, my favorite!
The SoundTraxx Blunami simplifies the process of setting up your locomotive's sound and lighting effects, getting you running your trains and into the action faster than ever.
Casey Jones climbed in the cabin.
Eyeball!
Casey Jones, orders in his hand. Casey Jones leaning out the window, taking a trip to the promised land.
The Blunami will change the way you enjoy the model railroading hobby.
Now, over the last few months, we've actually noticed that you'll see more and more companies in our model railroad industry shunning your customer support questions and responses. Now, what they will tend to do is cut off the live phone support and force you to send an email that they may or may not get back to within the next day or two. Or you may see some other companies out there with limited support hours. In other words, you can only call between, say, 10 and 11 o'clock on Tuesday and Thursday, and that's the only time you'll get live support. But that's not the way we do business here. Now, when we sell a decoder through your hobby shop to you, we want to make sure that you enjoy your experience. And so our customer support, the phone lines are open all week long, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5:30 Mountain Standard Time. Basically, anytime the doors are open, we're open for business, and you can give us a call and ask us any questions that you may have, whether it comes to how to wire the decoder, how to do the installation, if you need some guidance on certain CVs or setup tips, things like that. We're here to help you because we're model railroaders too, and we want to make sure that you're enjoying your hobby. Because we're a partner in the hobby, we want to make sure that you're enjoying every aspect of it. And so we want to be there to help you whenever you need assistance. Now, all of our service work and repair work is done here in our manufacturing facility in Durango, Colorado. For any of you guys who've come out for the tour, you've actually seen our manufacturing facility, but this is where we build every one of our decoders, whether it's intended for you as the end user or either for one of our factory partners such as Athearn, Bachmann, and others to eventually get into your hands. All of our decoders are built here, but because of that experience, we're also able to do the repair and service work here inside without having to send it off to another foreign country or something like that for repair work. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Contact us, let us know what's going on. We'll do our best to help you, and if the need arises, we'll have you send it in and we'll have it serviced either as a warranty or a non-warranty repair. Now, our warranty coverage for decoders from installation are from 90 days from the date of purchase. Now, a lot of people will ask, why is it 90 days? Well, we do a lot of work ahead of time before you get the decoder to ensure you're getting a decoder in good working condition. This includes a factory test using the machines on our production floor to test the decoders to make sure that the decoder is all together, the parts are correct, and everything's in the right place and all the solder contacts are made. But then that's followed up by a hand test by our technicians to again ensure functionality of the decoder. And this is where we're going to connect it up to a small circuit board that simulates a locomotive with headlights, all the different lights on it, motor, speaker, all of that stuff to make sure that your decoder is functioning before we put it in the bag and send it off. Now, this goes for all of the decoders we also build for our manufacturing partners, such as, again, Athearn, Bachmann, PBL, and all the others that we actually do work with. So you will want to be sure to understand that we do check those decoders multiple times before we ship them out. So that way we can guarantee that you're getting a good product. Now, one of the things I do want to point out is we do fully understand and know the decoders. We design them here. We write the software for it here. We build them here. We know these decoders in and out. And so when you're encountering an issue, we want to be able to help you understand exactly what's going on. So we're going to take the time, either with a phone call or an email, to make sure to explain the situation so that you can understand fully what's going on. Because remember the phrase, knowledge is power? Well, in this case, the more you know about how the decoder performs and how it behaves, the less you're intimidated by the many different settings that you can set in our decoders. One of the things we do is we make sure that if you set a CV value that's not in the range, there's a check to make sure that that's not really the right value, so that it defaults back within the range. That way you don't accidentally brick your decoder by making a wrong selection. If you could do that with our decoders, we didn't do our job very well, because if we left a landmine for you to find later because you maybe fat fingered or whatever a CV value that wasn't in the range, that's not a very good reliable decoder now, is it? But we take the efforts during the software editing and the programming of the decoders to make sure that we put those safeguards in so that you can be confident that you can make changes to the decoder all day long, making adjustments to CVs or anything else you want without the fear of breaking the decoder. And because of that, we do ask that instead of reaching out on these random forums or asking a bunch of strangers on the internet, give us a call or shoot us an email at support@SoundTraxx.com and ask us for help. We are here to help you. And so we want to make sure to get you the correct answer and the best answer, not just some random answer from a bunch of strangers on the internet. Guys, they may or may not have the experience, and so how do you weed those out, whether somebody's telling you the truth or not? We want to be able to set you straight because, of course, a happy customer is a returning customer. We want you to enjoy your products from SoundTraxx. And so please give us a call, either Graham or myself are here, usually during the week, unless, say, for example, we're off at a show, but we do usually have somebody here that can answer questions for you, but we are always checking our emails. So guys, don't hesitate to reach out to us anytime if you have any questions. We are happy to help you. So with that, that's basically what I wanted to do. I wanted to take a moment and brag about our customer support and know that we're partners in this. We want you to enjoy your hobby, because this is a hobby that brings so much enjoyment to Graham and myself that we really want to help make sure you're enjoying the hobby. So we want to get you the most out of our SoundTraxx products. So again, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us on our phone numbers listed on the screen here, or you can email us at support@SoundTraxx.com and ask your questions. And guys, don't be ashamed asking your questions. That's how we all learn. Everybody learns differently, so your question is important to help you learn and understand how to get the most out of your decoders. So please don't hesitate. We don't look at it as, oh, well, that's a silly question or anything like that, because again, we're here to help you. So guys, that's all I've got prepared for you this week. Like I said, I just wanted to take a moment to brag about our customer support. So if you do have any questions, thoughts, comments, leave them in the comments below. But if you want a response, get us an email at support@SoundTraxx.com or give us a call. We'll be happy to help talk to you and help answer your questions so that way you can get on with enjoying SoundTraxx products. So be sure to like, and also if you're interested in more of these type of content videos where we talk about the features of the decoder, how to get the best out of it, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check the archives, because there's a lot of great educational videos about the features that we built into the decoder. Again, another effort that we make to make sure that you're enjoying your hobby. So with that, we'll see you next time.